For a good quality softwood timber staircase, we offer the Craftsman's Pine range of staircases. This one is all in timber, risers, treads and strings. It's all Edgelam engineered pine construction. This gives you greater stability and good quality. Your stringer depth is typically 250 millimeters. Stringer thickness 32 millimeters. Underneath the staircase, you can see that all the risers are screwed and it's wedged with timber wedges, not plywood or MDF wedges found by other budget manufacturers. On this one, the risers are 18 millimeters thick and the treads are 22 millimeters thick. Standard construction, we have a bullnose overlap. Custom staircases can be made with no bullnose. Foot cuts are on, and also the top cuts are on for the hooking over the trimmer and your skirting cut on the top. You can order these to size through our new stairsuk.co.uk website.